Mabibilis na galaw, pag-ikot sa ere at pagtalo na matataas, yan ang free running o mas kilala sa tawag na parkour.
Parkour is a movement way of life which was established in France in the 20th century. It is about learning to traverse objects and getting from place to place in the most economical way possible.
Kaya naman mga ka-tribe na mahilig sa extreme sports, halina kayo at samahan nyo kaming alamin ang discipline behind this sport.
Ninja Academy ay yung first and most complete parkour gym in Southeast Asia. Siya yung talagang pinakauna sa Southeast Asia kasi yung iba meron ng parkour gym sa labas sa ibang bansa kaso hindi siya ganun complete and hindi siya cover.
Bago mag-umpisa ang training, kailangan munang mag-warm up. After ng warm up, sisimulan naman namin ang basic parkour at ituturo yan sa atin ni Coach Raven.
Benefit ng parkour is you're moving while you're doing a whole body workout. So hindi mo na naramdaman nag-workout ka na.
The objective of parkour is to be able to find a path from A to point B sa pinakamabilis at efficient na paraan. At kasama rin dito ang pagharap sa mga obstacles at dito din na-develop ang high level of fitness.
Discipline ng sports, just lang naman yan freedom of movement. So para lang kayong mga bata naglalaro sa park. Actually, parkour wala siyang age restriction kasi as I said, freedom of movement lang siya. So para nga ay naglalaro, yun. Pero yun nga, yung benefits niya, you're having fun while you're working out.
Ayun, magpa-practice lang muna kami. Mamaya, ready na kami sa challenge.
Sige. Good job. Okay. Depende sa'yo yan kasi sa level mo. Kung ikaw malakas na ang loob mo or wala kang takot, you can start outside. Pero nire-recommend namin na build up mo muna yung confidence mo inside the gym and then paglabas mo para mas safe ka. Kung gusto nyo subukan yung parkour, punta lang kayo dito sa Ninja Academy or check nyo yung page namin para sa further information. Huwag kayong matakot. Parkour naman is practicing safety and freedom of movement, so you'll have fun.
Mga ka-tribe, napagod ba kayong panoorin kami? Napagod din kami. Pero alam mo, Marco, first time ko kasi to, ikaw ba?
Oo.
First time mo mag-parkour. Ayan, anong pakiramdam?
It's a lot of fun, but it's a workout, but it doesn't feel like a workout because you're having fun jumping through the obstacles and all that. How was your experience, Jen?
Ayun, sa akin, bukod sa nakakapagod siya, hindi mo maitatanggi na masaya, nakaka-enjoy. Tsaka hindi ko akalaing pagpapawisan ako ng ganito kasi hindi naman ako nag-workout sa araw-araw kong pamumuhay. Ayan, pero ano natutunan mo sa sport na to?
I recommend everyone try parkour here at Ninja Academy. It's a lot of fun. You'll have a great time going through the obstacles. There's a lot of great coaches here. Coach Raven, who taught us earlier. So just come here and you'll have a lot of fun.
Yes! Tsaka kapag naglaro na kayo nito, sabi nga ni coach kanina, wag mong ilulus yung momentum para dire-diretso lang. Kasi kapag paputol-putol ka, mas nakakapagod tsaka mawawala ka dun sa momentum. Ayan.
Yes.
So guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo dahil kami definitely ay nag-enjoy.